Quality is timeless. That's why National Hardware's Indio and Hartley collections are designed with a storm shine finish, built to withstand the test of time. Now we're going to install the T-strap from the Indio collection to our pergola. All you need are 3 lag screws and a power drill with a 5/16" drill bit and a 3/4" socket wrench. What's great about National Hardware's outdoor decorative collections is that you can install this hardware on any outdoor DIY project that's made of wood. They don't just have to be installed on a pergola. The T-strap is great for installing on a beam where one beam meets another beam in the center. The T-strap has pre-drilled holes that allow for quick installation on any wood surface, making it perfect for any DIY project. I'm going to install it using National Hardware's decorative lag screw. Now remember, depending on the size of the lumber, you will want to use either the 1.5" lag screw or the 3". The sharp corners and black finish on the Indio collection are really going to update our pergola with a classic and sleek style. And now, thanks to National Hardware's Indio collection, we've updated this existing pergola with a sophisticated style that will withstand the test of time.